Ever feel like you're standing on the edge of something?
Yeah.
Just huge E.
Huge.
Like the future's right there.
Yeah.
But you just can't quite.
You're missing something.
Yeah, you're missing the password to get there.
Yeah.
Like you've got all these AI tools,
Right.
You've got them all ready to go.
Yeah.
But
they're not giving you.
The results are underwhelming, to say the least.
It's like having $1 million recording studio.
Okay.
But you're stuck playing chopsticks on a dusty old piano.
Yeah.
You need the right composition to unlock the true symphony of potential hiding in those tools.
I'm loving this analogy, but break it down for me.
Sure.
What's the composition in this scenario?
It's all about the prompts.
Okay.
Specifically, high-quality, expertly crafted AI prompts.
Okay.
They're the secret sauce.
Okay.
The magic words that transform those AI tools from just interesting toys into productivity powerhouses.
So you're telling me there's a way to bypass those endless hours of trial and error?
Yeah.
Those frustrating attempts at coaxing something decent out of ChatGPT?
Absolutely.
Tell me more.
That's where things get really interesting.
Okay.
Imagine a place where you can access a curated library of these high-impact prompts, all for less than the cost of your daily latte.
Hold on, are we talking about those free prompt websites? I've been down that rabbit hole before, and let's just say I emerged with more frustration than results.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
This isn't some fly-by-night prompt generator. We're talking about tutorials by Catalyst.
Okay.
Their YouTube channel membership is a game changer.
Okay.
They offer a curated, ever-expanding library of premium prompts.
Okay.
Updated regularly to keep pace with the lightning-fast evolution of AI.
Okay, color me intrigued.
Okay.
But what exactly makes these prompts so special? We're talking about simple text prompts here, right?
Right.
How different can they really be?
You'd be surprised.
Okay.
It's not just about the words themselves, but the strategic combination of keywords, phrases, and structure that triggers the AI to produce truly remarkable results.
Okay.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
A novice chef might throw a bunch of ingredients together and call it a day.
Right.
But a master chef understands the subtle nuances of flavor profiles and how to combine them to create a culinary masterpiece.
Okay.
These prompts are like recipes crafted by master AI chefs.
Okay. Now you're making me hungry for more than just information.
Right.
So what kind of culinary AI delights are on the menu with this Tutorials by Catalyst membership?
Let's see here.
Yeah.
Give me the specifics.
Yes.
Let's say you're looking to create stunning visuals for your brand's Pinterest.
Okay.
But graphic design isn't exactly your forte.
Right.
Boom.
Yeah.
Pinterest pin image generator prompt to the rescue.
I like it.
Or maybe you want to craft an article that not only informs, but also dominates search engine rankings. The ultimate article generator prompt has got you covered.
And it doesn't stop there.
Right.
I bet they've got prompts for everything under the AI sun. You're catching on.
Okay.
We're talking social media content that practically writes itself.
Right.
Email marketing campaigns that would make a copywriter weep with envy.
Oh, wow.
LinkedIn profile makeovers that scream, hire me.
Yeah.
Branding strategies that would make Don Draper jealous.
Okay.
The list goes on.
Okay, I'm hearing more time, less effort, music to my ears.
Absolutely.
But let's talk brass tacks. How does this membership actually work?
Wow.
Do I need a degree in AI whispering to make sense of it all?
That's the best part.
Okay.
It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could navigate it.
Okay.
No clunky software downloads, no need to decipher cryptic code.
Right.
It's all housed within the familiar realm of YouTube.
Okay.
Just mosey on over to the Tutorials by Catalyst channel.
Yeah.
Find that shiny join button, choose your membership level,
Yeah.
and bam, you've officially unlocked the AI prompt vault.
All right, I'm sold. But spill the tea on this vault. Is it organized chaos or beautifully curated bliss?
Because, let's be honest, nobody's got time to sift through a digital junk drawer of prompts.
Don't you worry, your organized, loving heart.
Okay.
They've got it down to a science.
Okay.
Everything is categorized and easily searchable, so you're not wasting precious time trying to find the perfect prompt.
Okay.
And get this, with new prompts being added on a regular basis, it's like having your own personal AI research team constantly delivering fresh content right to your digital doorstep.
Speaking of delivery, let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Okay.
The price tag.
Okay.
Because this all sounds amazing, almost too good to be true.
And here's where it gets even better.
Okay.
They're practically giving it away.
Okay.
We're talking less than you'd spend on a single cup of overpriced coffee each month.
Right, now you're speaking my language. But something tells me this incredible deal isn't going to last forever.
You're right on the money.
Okay.
They've been upfront about the fact that as they add more value to the membership, the price will eventually reflect that. So it's not just about getting in on a good deal.
Right.
It's about seizing an opportunity before it's gone.
So what I'm hearing is don't be that person kicking themselves a year from now, wondering why they didn't jump on this AI Express train when the ticket was practically free.
Exactly. It's like that old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
Right.
The second best time is now.
Okay, I'm ready to buy my ticket for this AI Express train.
Okay.
But what if I hop on board and realize this isn't the scenic route I was hoping for?
That's the beauty of it.
Okay.
There's no risk involved.
Okay.
They have a no hard feelings policy.
Like
If you decide the membership isn't your cup of tea,
Right.
you can cancel anytime.
Yeah.
No questions asked.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
Flexibility in the face of technological advancement.
Exactly.
But let's talk about those of us who are,
Sure.
just dipping our toes into the AI pool.
Right.
Do I need to be a coding whiz to use these prompts?
Here's where Tutorials by Catalyst truly shines. Okay.
They've designed these prompts to be accessible for everyone,
Okay.
from AI newbies to seasoned tech veterans.
Gotcha.
Imagine a set of training wheels for your AI journey,
Okay.
except these training wheels can take you all the way to expert level and beyond.
So I can go from 0 to AI hero with these prompts.
Absolutely.
Sign me up. But before I do, any final words of wisdom for our listeners?
Don't just dream about the future.
Okay.
Create it.
Okay.
These prompts are your secret weapons.
Right.
Your shortcuts to unlocking the true potential of AI.
Yeah.
And the best part is, they're not just for personal projects.
Right.
You can use them to level up your business, boost your freelance game,
Right.
or even launch that side hustle you've been putting off.
Okay. I am convinced.
Yes.
If our listeners are ready to ride this AI wave all the way to success,
Right.
where can they hop on board?
Head over to YouTube
Okay.
and search for Tutorials by Catalyst.
You'll see that glowing join button waiting for you. Click it and get ready to unlock a world of possibilities.
Because in the age of AI, the only limit is your imagination and maybe your internet connection.
Right.
Until next time, happy prompting.